All right, you guys, I'm gonna be making some dog food for Gracie. So the recipe that I have calls for 3 cups of brown rice. I had to go back to the store and get brown rice because I didn't have brown rice, but this is whole long grain brown rice. So I'm gonna do 3 cups of brown rice. So a pound of rice is about 2.5 cups. It's just a little bit short. It's about 2 3/4 cups. I'm gonna and we're gonna put 3 3/4 cups of water in here. Jackson's washing dishes, so that's what that noise is. To this, I'm gonna add in a package of the chicken gizzards. Whoop. Uh-oh. Look, Mom. Now, I'm not putting any seasoning in this because I don't want to give her too much salt and stuff. So I'm not going to put any seasoning in the, maybe I'm going to put just a tiny bit of salt. Something about my southern cooking ways won't let me not put salt. What was the timer like?
15 minutes.
Oh, it has rice on it. There's a rice feature on this Instant Pot, so I just hit rice, and we're gonna let that go for it's got it for 12 minutes, and then I'll add in the rest of the stuff for. It's saying auto. I don't know what that means. I need to make sure it's working. All right, y'all, I'm sorry that I didn't show you this, but I had a phone call come through. So I have the carrot, it's 2 carrots and a whole zucchini that I grated, and I put it into the pan to saute it with some spinach. So that's what's in there. There's a lot of water, so I'm gonna try to drain some of that water off. My rice is cooked, so I'm going to open this. The rice and the gizzards are cooked. This is hot, so we are gonna have to let it cool. But it cooked the rice really well. I mean, the rice is nice. Bless you, Bubba. So I'm actually just gonna take a ladle and ladle it in. It calls for 1.5 cups of rice on that recipe, but I doubled the recipe of rice. So I'll leave some of the rice in there for the next time. But I'm trying to get all the meat out. And again, the meat doesn't have to be super soft for her because she can chew. Okay. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mix this together. I'll move you guys so you can see. And then it asks for some peas. So I'm gonna do 1/2 can of peas and then just mix everything together. So this has the rice, the carrots, the zucchini, the peas, the gizzards. Just mix real well. And then we're gonna let this cool. And once it cools, we'll feed her. We'll do about 1.5 cups because she is a medium-sized dog. And then we'll put the rest in Ziploc bags for her meals for the next few days. We don't want to really break up the peas too much. So we'll give her a meal, and then we'll bag up the rest of this. And she ate all of the food that we put in her bowl. It was the rice with the zucchini and the carrots and the gizzards and peas is what she had in there. And then just some water. And she ate it all. Did you eat it all, Mama? I ate it all. Let me see your face, my lovely. Hello, Mother. And here is the final result of the food that we made for Ma'am. And of course, Jackson is feeding her for the morning. This is her morning meal, so it's the next day. He thinks she's famished and doesn't get enough to eat. So he, of course, is going to be extremely generous in his portions. She loves it when Jackson feeds. So anywho, you guys, there it is. The homemade dog food for Ma'am. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit that bell so you don't miss the notification. And we'll see you next time.